Welcome friends. My name is Ganesh Keshav Gaikwad. I am studying in B.SC third year in Others College, Hingoli. In this video, introduced three definitions of operator. First, identity operators, and second, displacement operators, and so third is inverse operators. And so first is identity operators. An operator which is such that the function all it operators use the function terms is called as identity operators. That is, I f of x is equal to f of x. And second definition is displacement operators. An operator equaled the displacement operator, comma, defined by the equation capital E f of A is equal to f of A plus h. The operator E is also called as decept operator. Relation between operators: delta f of A is equal to f of A plus h minus f of A is equal to capital E f of A minus I f of A. Delta f of A is equal to E minus I into f of A. Delta is equal to E minus I, or E is equal to delta plus I. E square f of A is equal to E of square bracket of E f of A square bracket close is equal to E f of A plus h is equal to f of A plus 2h. Similarly, E cube of f of A is equal to f of A plus 3h. Therefore, e raised to power of n into f of A is equal to f of A plus nh. And last definition is inverse operator. Inverse operator E inverse is defined by E inverse of f of A is equal to f of A minus h. Note: E square f square is not equal to whole f whole square. Let f of x is equal to x. E square f square small bracket of x is equal to E square x square is equal to square bracket of E of x square square bracket close is equal to E of x plus h whole square is equal to x plus 2h whole square. E of whole square is equal to ex whole square equal to small bracket of x plus h whole square. Therefore, E square f square is not equal to ef of whole square. Thanks for watching this video.